Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kick song. Throw Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Jump, 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 said the kangaroo over the hills out so blue. Bounce over puddles, hop with glee, skipping and jumping wild and free. With a zip and a zoom, up we rise, touching rainbows in the skies. Twist and twirl in the morning dew, what fun we have, me and you. Leap so high, touch the stars, up to the moon to planet Mars. With a boing and a hop, away we go. The playful kangaroo puts on a show. Over rivers, under trees, dancing with the summer breeze. Through the grasslands, soft and green, the happiest kangaroo you've ever seen. Bounce, bounce, bounce all through the day, laughing and leaping in every way. Over the hills and far from sight, the jumping kangaroo says goodnight. In the meadow on a swing, hear the happy birds that sing. Flipping, flapping, soaring too. Come along, let's leap with the kangaroo. Hop with friends, side by side. Through the flowers we will glide. Chasing butterflies, oh what a thrill. With every jump we feel the chill. Jumping through puddles, splash so bright. Rainbows sparkle in the light. With every leap we reach for the sky, as clouds drift gently floating by. In the twilight as shadows grow, we'll dance in fields where wildflowers blow. Under the stars with laughter and cheer, the kangaroo whispers adventure is near. With sleepy eyes our journey ends,